tummy time. It's pretty normal. He hates it. We got Abby on the other side.
Quiet him down.
We got Abby on the other side. She's okay with tummy time. She's kind of giving up though. You can tell by the way her arms are by her side. Let's get your arms back up here and see if you lift your head for us. There you go. You gonna show off? Oh, you're trying.
Deal with it.
You're kind of tired right now.
Flip it.
Do it.
Flip your little booty.
Come on, you got your leggies going.
That miserable. Spin it.
Oh, there she goes. Good job, Abby. Adam? Adam, you're on camera.
That's a video?
Yeah. Adam, you're on camera. Here you are. Everybody's watching.
Adam. Flip your little butt.
Good job, Abby.
Good job, Adam. Tummy time every day, so get used to it.
Uh-oh.
Get rid of you.
Someone's getting frustrated.